Hi, my name is George Nichols. I'm the head coach of IDA Valencia. IDA Valencia is an international academy based in Valencia, Spain. At this moment in time, we have in the region of 60 footballers, the majority from the United States, and they complete a 10-month course here on our residence, essentially living the life of a professional footballer. So training every day, doing education at the same time, and everything that's around being a footballer: analysis, strength and conditioning in the gym, psychological work off the field, and everything that's involved. We try to use 360Player in everything we do. So when players arrive here, the first thing that we do is get them integrated on the platform. They create their profile as a player, and it's then how we communicate with them, how they receive their daily, weekly, and beyond calendars, their schedules. So they're fully aware of everything that we're doing on a daily basis, what time they need to be in all those different activities. And we also use it as the platform as well to provide feedback to the players from their matches, sometimes training as well. And finally, we use it as well for analysis of the match videos. So we can share the videos of the games with the players. We can add notes to those videos so that they can see in which areas they've done well and the areas they need to improve. And that's the essential idea of the program, that each individual player is developing as best they can through their time with us. I would certainly recommend 360Player as a platform to be used by any academy, professional club or international academy such as we are, dealing with a large number of players, different calendars, different schedules. We think 360Player is fantastic for that. You can really have one integrated platform that brings all the players at the club together using the same structure, the same programs, and that continuity helps players on their individual pathways.